Good morning students. This is Bharati from Physics Department. In previous class we have discussed about the laws of reflection of light and first law of reflection of light, second law of reflection of light. In these sessions we have to discuss the problems related to the mirror formula. This is the last topic in this session, Amma. Masira, here if an object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 20 cm, find its image distance. What is mirror formula? Mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is the mirror formula. Okay na? By using this formula, we have to solve the problems of given amma. Sira, if an object is placed at a distance of 10 cm, that means given that, what is given that here? Object distance should be given amma. Here object distance. Generally object distance is represented by the letter small u. Object distance is equal to 10 centimeters. Sira, here this is for mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature. Okay na? This mirror represents the concave mirror amma. Okay? If an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters from the mirror, for example, object is placed here only. Okay na? Distance of pole to object should be called as object distance amma. This is 10 centimeters. Already I said now, all distance should be measured from the pole. The distance measured in the direction of incident ray is to be taken as a positive. In opposite direction should be taken as a negative. That's why here in this case the object distance is always taken as a negative. That means minus 10 centimeters. Actually, the light rays are coming from object to pole. But the distance should be measured from pole to object. These two directions are in opposite directions, amma. That's why we have to take object distance is negative. Okay na? And next one, what they are given? Again, focal length should be given. Focal length. Focal length is represented by the small f. Focal length is equal to 20 centimeters. Here also focal length should be taken as minus 20 centimeters. Our required value is image distance. Required value is image distance amma. Image distance v value. We have to find out this value, image distance v. Okay na? According to mirror formula, the formula for mirror is, according to mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Okay na? Substitute these values in this equation. Here 1 by f is equal to how much? Minus 20 centimeters is equal to 1 by u means object distance amma. Object distance is equal to minus 10 plus 1 by v. Okay na? Here 1 by minus 20 is equal to 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by v amma. Okay na? Here this one should be written as minus 1 by 20 is equal to minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by v. Okay. This value is coming left side of this equation. Minus should be get into plus value. Here minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v. Okay na? Here write the LCM of 20 and 10 amma. Here 10 2s are 20, 10 1s are 1. 2 into 10, 20. Here 20, the LCM of 20, 10 is 20 amma. Here 20 20s are 21s are 20. That means 1 plus 10 2s are 20 is equal to 1 by v. Here minus 1 plus 2 amma. This one should be written as 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v. Here 1 by v is equal to 1 by 20. Here v is equal to 20 centimeters. V is equal to 20 centimeters. Here image distance is equal to how much? Image distance is equal to 20 centimeters amma. Our required value is image distance. The image distance is 20 centimeters. Once again I will explain amma. Here these are the problems related to the mirror formula. Here the problem is, if an object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 20 cm, find its image distance. In this problem, we have to find out the image distance, amma. What are the values that should be given in this problem? The objective distance and the focal length of a mirror should be given in this problem. What is the required value? The required value is image distance. Here also, first you have to write what are the values that should be given in this problem. Here, the first one is objective distance. Objective distance is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Focal length f is equal to minus 20 centimeters. We have to find out the image distance. Image distance is generally represented by the letter B. Here, according to mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Okay, here also substitute these values in this equation. Here, minus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by v. Okay, now this minus value coming this left side of this equation, this minus value get into plus value. That's why I should written as minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v. Okay, now here 21 are next write the LCM of 20 comma 10 amma. Here the LCM is 10 2s are 20, 10 1s are 10. Okay, now 10 into 2 20 amma. LCM is 20. 21s are 20. That's why minus 1 should be written. And plus 10 2s are 20. That's why I should written 2 here only. Minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v. This one should be written as 1 by v is equal to 1 by 20. Finally, the image distance v is equal to 20 centimeters. That means, if an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters from a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeters, the image should be formed at a distance of 20 centimeters from the concave mirror. At a distance of 20 centimeters from the concave mirror, amma. Okay, na? See the next problem, ra? See the next problem, amma. Here, if an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters from a convex mirror, amma. In previous problem, concave mirror, ra? In this problem, convex mirror. Listen carefully, ra. If an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters from a convex mirror of focal length 20 centimeters, find its image distance. Same, in previous problem, concave mirror should be taken. In this problem, convex mirror should be taken, amma. You have to take in any mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror. In any mirror, sign convention must and write in this problem. Okay, na? Sign conventions should be taken very carefully for solving these problems, amma. Okay, here if an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters from a convex mirror. Now convex mirror means here this is principal axis, outside coating, inside coating gives the convex mirror, amma. That means the reflection should be takes place only on outer side of this mirror. Here this is pole, focus and center of curvature. Here, if an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters from the convex mirror. For example, this is object, amma. The distance from pole to object should be called as object distance, that is 10 centimeters. Okay, na? Here, and next, the focal length of this mirror is 20 centimeters. Find out its image distance. That means where will be the image should be formed and or what is the image distance. Okay, Nama? Here see, the distance from pole to object should be called as the object distance. Here object distance u is equal to 10 centimeters. Sign conventions must and should be used in this formula. Okay, na? In this formula. Okay, ma? Sign convention should be used in this problem. Here u is equal to minus 10 centimeter and f is equal to 20 centimeters. Here, what should they are given in this problem? First, right? Given that object distance. Here, object distance is equal to 10 centimeters. Object distance is represented by the letter small u is equal to minus 10 centimeters. And next, focal length. Focal length small f is equal. Okay, focal length f is equal to 20 centimeters. Our required value is image distance. Our required value is image distance. Image distance is represented by the letter B, amma. Okay na? Here according to mirror formula, what is the mirror formula? Here mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v amma. Substitute these values in this equation. Here 1 by 20 is equal to minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by v. Okay na? Minus 1 by 10 value is a coming left side of this equation. The negative value get into the positive value amma. This one should be written as 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v. Okay na? Here the LCM of 20 comma 10 is 20 amma. Here 20 ones are 20. That's why I should written as 1 plus 10 twos are 20. Here is equal to 1 by v. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 by 20 is equal to 1 by v. Okay. This one should be written as 1 by v is equal to 3 by 20. Reverse these equation amma, these values. V is equal to 20 by 3. Here 3 6.66. V is equal to 6.6 centimeters amma. Okay. Here image distance V is equal to 6.6 centimeters. Okay na? Okay ma, next one conversion of meters into centimeters ra. Conversion of meters into centimeters. For example, the focal length of a given mirror amma, that mirror is a convex, concave or plane mirror, whatever it is. Here the focal length of mirror is 0.2 centimeters, 2 meters. Find its values in meters. Okay. Here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Focal length f is equal to 0.2 into, here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. That's why I should written as 100. Here 0.2 should be written as 2 by 10 into 100. Here 0 get cancelled amma. F is equal to 2 into 10. Here F is equal to 20 centimeters. The focal length of a mirror in MKS system is equal to 0.2 meters amma. Here the same focal length of a mirror in CGS system is equal to 20. The focal length of a mirror, finally the focal length of a mirror 0.2 meters is equal to 20 centimeters amma. Now these are the problems related to the mirror formula. Mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v amma. This is the last topic for this lesson. In overall lesson, we discussed about light, rectilinear propagation of light, loss of reflection of light, and next